Hi, I'm Jennifer from A Live Little, and today we're talking about Father's Day and maybe something fun and a little different that we could make for our dad or husband, the man in our life who's special for that day. So we have what's called the Chi Chi Meatball, a little healthier than a regular meatball because it's made with chickpea and ground chicken with some really nice kind of Middle Eastern spices in there to kind of amp it up a little bit. Plus we use our backyard barbecue balsamic vinegar and our Mexican mango olive oil, and that makes a really huge difference into the flavor of the meatball. Because there is not a lot of fat in the chicken, we get a lot of flavor from the Mexican mango olive oil and then the backyard barbecue. So this ends up being a little bit of a sweet meatball, and we scoop them small so they're almost a little cocktaily. So if you're having a little backyard barbecue picnic for Father's Day, they're a really nice appetizer to start with. They don't take very long. So we're going to get right into it here. We've got our chicken, and again, this is kind of like a one pot thing. We've got our panko breadcrumbs, and we have all of our chickpeas that have been mashed. We've got parsley. I love a little parsley in any type of meatball. It just looks prettier. We've got our Spanish chorizo salt, some pepper, and the Middle Eastern spices, which is allspice, and then cumin. And then we have some garlic, of course an egg to hold it all together, and then our backyard barbecue balsamic vinegar. And I think we probably all know the routine and drill with meatballs. You just have to mix it up and scoop them out. So that's what we're going to do. I'd say that really, if you don't have a scoop and you've been scooping meatballs or cookies using teaspoons and tablespoons, today you should really invest in a couple different size scoops. They make your life so much easier. So we're just going to go and mix it all together. That smells really good and has a nice kind of sweet smell to it. Our Mexican mango olive oil has a little bit of a mango essence and also a little bit of jalapeno in it. So it's got just a little bit of spice, and it's just delicious. So what typically you'd want to do is put this back into the fridge for about half an hour just to kind of let it all firm up. It makes rolling the meatballs maybe a little bit easier. Okay, but very easy. Really doesn't take a lot of time, and you know what? If you don't want to spend too much time scooping, and you can make larger meatballs. Okay, but I have here just a nice size scoop, and you would scoop them out, put them on your tray. Roll them up, baste them with a little bit of olive oil, in this case our Mexican mango olive oil, and then you bake them for about 30 minutes in the oven. You don't have to saute them first in a pan at 350. You can find the recipe on our website at alivelittle.com, and we've already made some here for you to take a look at. I made some with the regular panko, and then I also made some gluten-free. Equally as delicious, you can't even tell. And I love serving it with some grilled bread drizzled with olive oil and sweet pickles. So enjoy it. Let us know how you make out. Thanks, and see you again.